Hola, this is DailiChilli, and today it's just an update. It's already been away for this week. Actually, last week was Qingming, so it was I have the pleasure to have my dad visit me here at my place. So he stayed with me the last couple of days, and also. The other reason is that I also started to teach. I teach web design. So this is the new term, and I started yesterday actually. So I was a bit busy working on some, preparing the classes and all that. So what's gonna happen with this video blog? I'm just gonna keep doing these videos. As I mentioned before, my target is to do 100 episodes. This is episode number 58, so I have almost less than halfway to go. So yeah, that's the update for today from my place, listening to this really cool music, jazz. And today's password for my daily post is jazz. Okay, see you guys. Bye.